Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Building Custom Automation Solutions. Building custom automation solutions within AWS is critical for organizations seeking to enhance operational efficiency, reduce manual intervention, and ensure scalability. AWS offers a plethora of tools and services that enable developers and IT professionals to create sophisticated automation workflows tailored to their specific business needs. This lesson delves into the intricacies of building custom automation solutions on AWS, providing a detailed understanding of the available tools, best practices, and practical applications. AWS provides several core services that serve as the foundation for building automation solutions. AWS Lambda, for instance, is a serverless computing service that allows you to run code without the need for provisioning or managing servers. This service is pivotal for automation as it can be triggered by various AWS events, such as changes to data in an S3 bucket or updates to a DynamoDB table. By leveraging AWS Lambda, developers can create event-driven applications that automatically respond to changes in their environment, streamlining processes that would otherwise require manual intervention. Another crucial service for automation is AWS Step Functions, which allows you to coordinate multiple AWS services into serverless workflows. Step functions use a visual interface to create and run a series of checkpointed tasks, making it easier to build and orchestrate complex workflows. This service is particularly beneficial for long-running processes that require coordination between different AWS services. For instance, an e-commerce application might use step functions to automate the order processing workflow, integrating services such as AWS Lambda, Amazon S3, and Amazon DynamoDB to handle tasks like payment processing, inventory management, and order fulfillment. Infrastructure as code is another key concept in AWS automation. AWS CloudFormation enables you to define and provision AWS infrastructure using code. This approach allows you to use a simple text file to model and provision all the resources needed for your applications. CloudFormation automates the process of setting up and configuring AWS resources, ensuring that your infrastructure is consistent and reproducible. By using CloudFormation templates, organizations can reduce the risk of human error, enforce compliance, and accelerate the deployment of new environments. Automation in AWS is not limited to infrastructure and workflows. It also extends to monitoring and incident response. AWS CloudWatch is a monitoring and observability service that provides data and actionable insights to monitor applications, understand and respond to system-wide performance changes, and optimize resource utilization. CloudWatch alarms can automatically trigger actions in response to changes in your AWS environment, such as scaling resources or sending notifications. By integrating CloudWatch with AWS Lambda, organizations can create automated remediation workflows that respond to incidents in real time, reducing downtime and improving system reliability. The use of automation in AWS is underscored by a growing body of evidence supporting its benefits. A study by IDC found that organizations using AWS experienced a 51% reduction in the time required to deploy new applications and a 62% improvement in application development and release cycles. These efficiencies translate into significant cost savings and competitive advantages, particularly in fast-paced industries where time to market is critical. Security automation is another important aspect of building custom automation solutions in AWS. AWS Config, a service that enables you to assess, audit, and evaluate the configurations of your AWS resources, plays a crucial role in maintaining security and compliance. By continuously monitoring and recording your AWS resource configurations, Config allows you to automate the evaluation of recorded configurations against desired configurations. This ensures that your resources comply with internal policies and best practices. When combined with AWS Lambda, Config can automatically remediate non-compliant resources, further enhancing your security posture. One practical example of AWS automation in action is the use of AWS Systems Manager, which provides a unified interface for managing your AWS resources. Systems Manager allows you to automate common maintenance and deployment tasks, such as patch management and software inventory, across your AWS environment. By using Systems Manager automation documents, you can define and execute automation workflows that perform tasks such as creating AMIs, managing EC2 instances, and applying patches. This level of automation ensures that your environment remains secure, compliant, and up-to-date with minimal manual intervention. The integration of machine learning into AWS automation solutions is also gaining traction. Services like Amazon SageMaker enable developers to build, train, and deploy machine learning models at scale. By incorporating machine learning into automation workflows, organizations can achieve more intelligent and adaptive systems. For example, a predictive maintenance solution for industrial equipment could use SageMaker to analyze sensor data and predict failures before they occur. This information can then be used to trigger automated maintenance workflows, preventing downtime and reducing maintenance costs. Building custom automation solutions in AWS also involves understanding and applying best practices to ensure success. One such practice is the principle of least privilege, which involves granting the minimum permissions necessary for users and services to perform their tasks. This reduces the risk of unauthorized access and enhances security. Another best practice is to use version control for your automation scripts and templates, enabling you to track changes, roll back to previous versions, and collaborate with team members more effectively. The use of automation in AWS is supported by a robust ecosystem of tools and services that facilitate the creation, deployment, and management of automated workflows. The AWS Developer Tools Suite, which includes AWS Code Pipeline, AWS Code Build, and AWS Code Deploy, provides a comprehensive set of services for automating the software release process. Code Pipeline, for instance, allows you to model, visualize, and automate the steps required to release your software, from source code retrieval to deployment. By integrating these tools with other AWS services, organizations can create end-to-end automation pipelines that accelerate development and improve software quality. In conclusion, building custom automation solutions in AWS offers numerous benefits, including increased efficiency, enhanced security, and reduced operational costs. By leveraging services such as AWS Lambda, AWS Step Functions, AWS CloudFormation, and AWS CloudWatch, organizations can create sophisticated automation workflows that address their unique business needs. The integration of machine learning and adherence to best practices further enhances the effectiveness of these solutions. As evidenced by the significant improvements in application deployment and development cycles reported by organizations using AWS, the adoption of automation is a strategic imperative for businesses seeking to stay competitive in a rapidly evolving landscape. The comprehensive ecosystem of AWS tools and services provides a solid foundation for building and managing custom automation solutions, enabling organizations to achieve greater agility, innovation, and operational excellence. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UXL, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.